The Nestle Health Science NCare program supports healthcare professionals to manage their patients' nutritional requirements. NCare works by delivering nutritional products to people at home, including home enteral nutrition or HEN patients, NDIS participants or community clients. This helps them to achieve better health outcomes. If you're not already an NCare user, please contact your local Nestle Health Science account specialist. Alternatively, if your institution has an NCare account, you can self-register here and your request will be sent for approval to the admin of that account. Once you have an account, log in by clicking the button in the top right corner. Now that you're logged in, you can browse nutrition products in detail and view pricing specific to your institution. On this screen, you'll also be able to select products and assign them to a patient by clicking the Add to Regimen button. Now you can assign an existing patient to this regimen by searching the database for them, or create a new patient by clicking the Create a Patient link. Next, populate all relevant and mandatory patient details. You'll also have the option of adding contact details for a patient's carer during this step. Once the patient's details have been entered, you can set the regimen's length as either a one-off order, once every 4 weeks for a specified length, or once every 4 weeks ongoing. Next, select how the product is being funded, by the patient, by the institution, or if it is a co-payment. It's important to know that each of these funding options will only be available if enabled by your institution. Once this is done, click Place Order to finalise. The order is now complete and with the state distributor. If you entered your patient or carer's email address, a summary of the regimen will be shared with them automatically. Alternatively, you can view and print the PDF summary to share with them. If the product order will be funded by your institution, no further action is needed from you, as the order will be processed and dispatched automatically. However, if the order is to be funded by the patient or there is a co-payment contribution, the patient or carer will have to call the designated state distributor to make a payment. Once they have done this, their order will be dispatched. Your patient can find the distributor's details in the email sent to them or on the printable PDF. Feel free to contact your local Nestle Health Science account specialist for more NCare information and resources, like how to order flowcharts to assist patients with ordering their nutritional solutions.